the fuck? Just
The official is looking down at Mike Rose.
I was reading the super chat, and how did this match end? It ends with Blake Monroe winning, but did Thea
we have a new champion.
Wait, what the fuck? What? I was entirely wrong.
We have a new North American champion. What was that finish?
And she's weeping. Beatbox, this is going to be interesting to use as a reaction.
Well, yeah, how do you... Everybody was kind of frozen. Hey, Thea's crying. Blake's shocked. Did we just get the Florida screw job? What happened? Ooh.
That... One?
Oh. Two? Blake couldn't kick out, bro.
Huh?
Whoa!
Wait a minute! Wait a minute!
Much like last week.
Oh, wow, yo! Somebody botched it!
There's a lot of confusion right now. The official is looking down at Mike Rose.
It was three, she didn't kick out! Blake Monroe didn't kick!
But is it finally happened? The moment! Yes!
Wow! Well, they probably rectify this by next week, boo. Yo! Wow!
Uh-oh, Thea's rolling, for real.
Don't waste any motions with Blake. Oh, yeah. I like that hard landing.
Oh, she got all of that. Is it enough?
Dang.
Whoa.
Wow, she won?
That it? No.
Thea Hail, much like last week,
she won the title?
finally hasn't
What happened?
What happened?
Oh, she rolled her up?
Right now, the official is looking down at Mike Rome. We saw the tap.
That didn't look
week,
right to me.
But is it finally
What
happened? The moment.
What the heck? She won? Thea Hail wins the title. Wow, that's what the hubbub was about.
Senton's back. She gets a little bit caught, but manages to get the pin, and she's got it. The referee's saying, yeah, the referee says, yeah, you won. Hang on, they played Blake's music, but the referee's counted it. Mate, this seems so messy. They're doing it. Mate, there was so much confusion. They played Blake Monroe's. Oh my God, yeah, title change. Mate, it really feels like that was not meant to happen. It really feels like there was so much confusion there. It's like even flipping WWE didn't have Thea Hail's music queued up. Mate, I've got to tell you, if that wasn't meant to happen, but... So look, she goes here, lands on her.
Oh, yeah. I like that hard landing.
Oh, she got all of that. Is it enough?
Whoa! That it? No.
Thea Hail, much like last week, finally has it happened.
That's Blake's
There's
theme.
a lot of confusion right now. The official is looking.
They just botched.
We saw the tap.
They just botched.
Last week, but is it finally happened?
They just botched the ending.
The moment. Yes. NXT Women.
Thea Hail looks shocked. Blake Monroe has won. Oh no, it has happened. Thea Hail's won. Thea Hail has beaten her. What the flip? That shocked even me. What the flip? New champ, Shaquem, you got it right for a change. Well done. What the hell just happened there? That we were even like looking, thinking, what the flip has just happened? Oh, Mike, that's left me in absolute shock. Let's see it again. She does the bounce back on. She puts her in position, shoulders down, 1, 2. The referee had to count it. She did.
I like that hard landing.
Oh, she got all of that.
1, 2.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
That it?
Thea won.
Hail
Thea won. The ref said it was 3. Blake didn't kick out.
finally has it happened.
No.
There's a lot
No.
of confusion
Thea
right now.
won. She didn't kick out.
Mike Rome. We saw the tap last week, but is it finally happening?
Yeah.
The moment.
Blake didn't kick out.
Yes! NXT Women's
What day?
Yes!
The ref even said you didn't kick out. Oh my God.
Yes! Thea Hail has her
Page. What a move there by Thea Hail. Here, Thea Hail. Now, here we go, warming up with the coffin drop. What the hell? What the hell, referee? What the hell is going on here? What the hell is going on here? I won by 5%. Very anticlimactic, though.
So, oh, what the fuck just happened? Really? What? What? What the fuck just happened? Okay. They just had Thea just basically won. What? That could have been done a hell of a lot better. What? I don't even know what to say to that. What the fuck just, Bleach fan? I guess Thea just won the title? What?